What is the first priority? 720 divided by 36. How much? 20 minus 5 into 4 into 2 or not? 4 2 the 8, 8 5 the 40 plus 600 divided by 10. How much? 60 or not? 60 plus 20, 80. 80 minus 40, 40. This total value we are getting 40 or not? That is numerator or denominator? Numerator. Again we require denominator value. 18 divided by 6 means 3 plus 7 minus, what is the first priority? 8 minus 2 or not? How much? 6. 3 minus 6 minus 3, minus 3 plus 5 plus 2, 7 minus 2 or not? 7 minus 2, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 minus 2, 8, that is denominator value or not? 40 by 8, 5. This total value we are getting how much? 5. This total bracket value we are getting 5 into how much value? 10 plus 4 or not? What is the answer? 54. Next, second question. If triangle PQR and XYZ are similar triangles or not? Means one is triangle PQR, another one triangle XYZ. Those two are in similar triangles or not? Okay, in similar triangle sides are equal or different? Equal. What is the XY value? 8.4. XZ value 12.6. What is the PQ value? 2.8. Next, QR is how much? 3.4. Okay, and what is the question here? Find the value of YZ, 3 times of YZ plus PRN. Okay, first, what is the PQ? 2.8. XY 8.4. What is the ratio? 1:3 or not? Means sides are 1:3, means every side also 1:3 ratio. Here 3.4. It is one part. This one is 3 parts or not? 3 into 3.4. 10.2 or not? Yes or no? Next, this one also which ratio? 1:3 ratio or not? What is the 3 parts value? 12.6. What is the 1 part value? 4.2 or not? What is the PR value? 4.2. What is the YZ value? 10.2. But we required 3 times of YZ plus PR. 10.2 plus 4.2 or not? 10.2 plus 4.2, 14.4 into 3 means 43.2 or not? Next question number 3. If a fruit vendor buys 21 kgs of grapes at 40 rupees per kg, with the amount he gets from selling X kgs of oranges at 12 kgs for 660 and X plus 2 kgs of mangoes at 18 kgs for 720 together, then how many kgs of grapes can he buy if he sells 2x kgs and 3 into X plus 2 kgs of oranges and mangoes respectively or not? Okay, first, fruit vendor buys 21 kgs of grapes at 40 rupees per kg. 21 into 40. What is the amount? 840 or not? 840. Per kg value 40 rupees. Number of kgs are 21 or not? Okay. With the amount you get the from selling X kgs of oranges, 12 kgs for how many rupees? 660. 12 kgs 660 means what is the per kg value? 55. How many kgs are purchased? X kgs. Then I return X into which one? 55 or not? 12 kgs 660. What is the per kg value? 55. How many kgs are selling? X kgs. Second one, X plus 2 kgs of mangoes at 18 kgs for 720 together or not? 18 kgs is how many rupees? 720. What is the per kg value? 40. How many kgs are purchased? X plus 20, X plus 2 kgs. Per kg value is how much? 40 or not? Left hand side X kgs value and X plus 2 kgs value. Both are adding, that is equal to 21 into which one? 40 or okay, 21 into 40. What is the next one are given? Then how many cases of grapes can he buy if he sells 2x cages and 3 into x plus 2 cages of oranges and mangoes are respectively? Okay, 2x cages of which one? Oranges, means 2x into per kg value is how many rupees? 55. Next, how many cages of mangoes? 3 into x plus 2 into per kg value is how much? 40 plus equal to how much value or not? Okay, what is the question here? Then how many cases of grapes? How many cases of grapes? What is the grapes per kg value? 40, means quantity are unknown. Quantity are unknown, but per kg value is how much? 40 or not? Okay, what is the numerator? Same amount, grapes are 21 kgs are getting. The same amount x kgs and x plus 2 kgs oranges and apples are getting or not? Second time the same amount x 2x kgs oranges, 3 into x plus 2 kgs mangoes, those are adding, it will be equal to some amount or not? The same amount you getting how many cases of grapes or not? Yes or no? Numerator by denominator. Okay, 40 40 cancel or not? Okay, don't cancel 55, don't cancel 40 40. 5 how many times? 11. 5 how many times? 8. 5 how many times? 11. 5 how many times? 8 times. Any other cancellations? No, just a cross multiplication or not? 11 into 2x, 2x, sorry 22x, 3 into x, 3x into 8. 8 2 8 3 are 24, 24 plus 22, 46 x or not? 46 x, 46 x into how much value? 21 or not? 21. Again second one, 11 into x, 11x, 8 into x, 8x. Just 1 minute, this one I written equation wise. 11x plus 8x, 19x plus 16 by 22 plus 24, 26x plus 8 6 are 48, that is equal to 21 by quantity 1 or not? Quantity 1. Any other cancellations? No or not? Denominator 3 to the 8 to the 16, 16 3 the 48 or 40 denominator 22 plus 24, 46. 46 x or it is one way, but here how many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns or simplify the first one, substitute the x value in second one, we are get the quantity 1 or simplify the first one. Simplify the first one means x into 55 plus x plus 2 into 40 equal to how much? 21 into 40 or not? Simplify that one, we are get the x value or not? Substitute the x value in second one, we are get the quantity or not? Okay, 5 11 times, 5 8 times, 5 8 times or not? 11x plus 8x, 19x or not? 8 to the 16, 21 into 8, 168 minus 16 or not? How much value you are getting? 152. 19 almost 8 times or not? Means x value 8 or not? Substitute the x value in second equation, we are get the quantity or not? Okay, 19 into 8, 152 plus 16 or already we know right hand side value, this total value is how much? 168 or not? 21 parts are 168, then every one part are 8 or not? Means 8 into q, that is equal to 46 into h plus 48 or not? 8 how many times? 1 time. 8 how many times? 6 times. 46 plus 6. 52 or not? Because two unknowns are only one unknown. Two unknowns are not. Next question number 12. If a 12 digit number is divisible by 8 and 11, what is the maximum value of 5a minus 4b? Maximum value are required means a comma b values are minimum or maximum? Minimum or not? Difference we required maximum means those values must be minimum. First, divisible by 8 means verify the last 3 digits or not. 6, 5, 6 or not? Means b value must be how much? 6. B value 6. Again we require divisible of 11 or not? Okay. Suppose a value I consider 9. A value I consider 9. Means in place of a I written 9. 7 plus 9, 16 plus 4. What is the divisible of 11? Alternate digits sum difference will be either 0 or 11. 7 plus 9, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 4, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 5, 33 or not? Another one, 5 plus 8, 13 plus 3, 16 plus 5, 21 plus 6, 27. What is the b value? 6. 33. Difference will be 0. Means a must be 9, b must be 6 or not? Okay. What is the question here? 5a minus 4b. 5 times of which one? 9 minus 4 times of 6. 45 minus 24. How much? 21. Next question number 5. The people who like coffee are what person more or less than that of people who like cold coffee or not? But the coffee is how many degrees? 54. Cold coffee 108. What is the ratio? 1:2 or not? 1 compared to 2. How many parts are less? 1 part less. 1 upon which one? 2. 1 by 2 means 50% or not? One will be 100%, another one are 50%. How much percent are less? 50% lesser. Next question number 6. A partnership business has a capital of 60,000, of which one half is contributed by A and other half is equally contributed by B and C or not? Suppose 60,000 I consider 4 parts. 60,000 I consider 4 parts. In that one half means half value or double value? Half value means A invested, half value means how many parts? 2 parts are not? And other half is equally contributed by B and C. Remaining how many parts? 2 parts. The 2 parts are equally distributed. B and C means B received 1 part, C also 1 part or not? If you are consider 60,000, 60,000 in that half value means 30,000. A 30,000, remaining 30,000. That is distributed B and C equally means 15,000, 15,000. What is the ratio? 2:1:1 or not? Next, what is the next point? They appoint D as a manager and agreed to pay him 15% of the gross profit, and B and C are also paid 2.5% each thereof before the distribution of the profit in the proportion of their capitals. Already D received profit 15% and B and C are each one received 2.5. 15 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. 5. 15 plus 5. 20% or not? Suppose total profit we are consider 100%. In the 20% is already some profit, it will be distributed for D and B and C or not? What is the remaining profit? 80% or not? Okay. And what is the question here? Remaining profit will be distribution of their capitals. Find the sum of the shares of which one? A and C out of the total profit of 13,120. What is the total profit? 100%. In place of 100%, how much percent are distributed their capitals? 80%. Then we return 80% of which value we need? 13,120. That is distributed based on their investments. Total investment is how many parts? 4 parts. In that, which one share we need? A and C. A and C means how many parts? 3 parts. Nothing but 3 by 4. 4 how many times? 20 times. 20 times. 3 into 20 means how much? 60%. 60% of which value? 13120. Percent 2 zeros are cancelled. End with 72. 6 into 13. 78. Which option? Third option. Because there is no clarity about the D investment. Means that in remaining 80% are distributed only A, B, C. Next question number 7. In a family of some adults and 5 minors, means adults are unknown but minors are given 5 minors. The average consumption of a rice per head is how many rupees? 20 kgs. Average consumption rice per head means all the persons average are given how much? 20. While the average consumption of adult is how much? 30 kgs and the minors is 10 kgs per head. Okay, means adults are given, minors are given. What is the adults average? 30. What is the minors average? 10 kgs. What is the overall members average? 20 kgs. Yes or no? We know the adults average, we know the minors average, we know the entire members average. What is the ratio? 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. What is the ratio? 1:1. Minors are 5 members means adults also 5 members. What is the next point? The difference between the number of old age people and adults is how much percent more or less than the adults. But if the old age people are 40% more than the which one? Adults. Already adults 5 members. Then old age people are 40% more. What is the 40% of 5? 200. 5 plus 2? 700. Old age people are how many members? 7. What is the question here? Difference between the old age people and adults. What is the difference between 5 and 7? 200. The 2 will be compared to which one? Percentage more or less than the adults. How many members are? 2 upon 5 or not? 2 by 5 means what is the percentage? 40% or not? Less or more? అసలు అవసరమా అంతా? కొంచెం ఆలోచించండి. These two difference is how much? Already statement are given which one? Old age people compared to adults, how much percent are more? 40% more. If adults are 100%, old age are 140%. What is the question here? Difference between the old age people and adults. What is the 100 and 140 difference? 40. That 40 is how much percent more or less than the which one? Adults are 100. How much percent or less? 40 or 100. 2 by 5 means how much? 40%. Next question number 8. Without solving remaining data also, we are get the direct answer or not? Next question number 8. What is the greatest number that divides 10,620 and 9070, leaves a remainders 12 and 22 respectively? We required greatest number or not? Greatest number divide or divisible? Divide means HCF or LCM? HCF. And here 10,620 including remainder or without remainder? Including remainder. Including remainder 10,620. In that remainder value 12. Subtracting what is the remaining value? 10,608 or not? Second one including remainder 9070, without remainder 9058 or not? 9058 or 48? 48 or not? 9048. Then we required remaining values HCF or not? Okay, first suppose first number I written 42, second number I written 63. What is the common factor of 42 and 63? 700. Or what is the difference between these two? 2100. 42 is exactly divisible by 21. 63 also exactly divisible by 21. Difference of the two numbers are 21 means each number is multiple of 21. But 21 I written 7 into 3 7 into 3. 42 is divisible by 7. 42 is divisible by 3. 63 also divisible by 7 and 3 means obviously common factor are 21 or 7 and 3. 21 because it is divisible by 3, 7 and also 21. Which one is the highest factor? 21 means we are depends on only difference concept. What is the difference between these two terms? 1560 1560 1560 means I written 156 into 10. Yes or no? First term is exactly divisible by 10. No. Second term is exactly divisible by 10. No. Means 10 is not a factor of given numbers. Difference are not divisible by 10 means, sorry, each number are not divisible by 10 means common factor also not divisible by 10. Okay, what is the remaining value? 156. Difference will be 156 multiple means HCF also 156 multiple. First option 156 multiple. No. 156 multiple means 156 to the how much? 312. Remaining 3 are not possible. Or 156 means it is 12 multiple and also 13 multiple. Verify the 13 multiples. How many options? Only one. We are depends on difference concept. If difference are 420 means each number will be multiples of 420. Next question number 9. A pipe can fill a water tank within how many hours? 4 hours. Due to leakage in the bottom, it takes 2/7 hours to fill it. In what time the tank can be filled with the help of which one? C. Which can take 4 hours more than the time taken by A to fill the tanker. Already we know A alone can fill the tank in how many hours? 4 hours. Due to leakage, nothing but including leakage, how much time are filled? 4/7. Only A alone 4 hours. A and leakage can fill the tank 4/7. 4/7 means 30/7 hours. Then we are get the only leakage value. Only leakage. Only leakage means product by difference or product by sum? Product by difference. One is 4, another one 30/7. Difference means 30/7 minus 4. Okay. Numerator 120, denominator 2. 120/2, 60 hours. Only leakage can empty the tank in how many hours? 60 hours. And in what time the tank can be filled with the help of which one? C. With the help of C means total how many pipes are working? 3 pipes are. 3 pipes are only 1 pipe. 3 pipes. Already A and leakage plus C are not. Next, which can take 4 hours more than the which one? Pipe A. Already A 4 hours. Then C will be 8 hours. Okay. What is the question here? All the 3 pipes are only 1 pipe. All the 3 pipes are. All the 3 pipes. Just we are using individual values, combining the value, we are get the answer. Okay. Or else already we know A and L are not. And we know the C value or not. Adding or subtracting? Adding. Adding means product by sum or product by difference? Product by sum. 30/7 into how much value? 8 by 30/7 plus 8 or not? Okay. 30 into 8 how much? 240. 30 plus 8. Sorry, 30 plus 56. How much? 90. 86. 86. Actually, without writing L value also, we are get the same answer or not? Okay. Just we are using only these 2 points, we are get the answer or not? 2 how many times? 43. 2 how many times? 120 or not? 120/43. It is how many times? 2 times. 86 complete. What is the remaining? 34 or 34 by 43. Which option? Third option or without writing leakage concept also we are get the answer or actually నేను కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం అవడం కోసం చెప్పినాను అది. Okay, if you require leakage value then we are using product by difference or but here together value of 3 pipes or 2 pipes, 3 pipes or and already we know A and L and we know the C value. Together means product by sum or product by difference? Product by sum. Next question number 10. In triangle PQR, PQ equal to how many centimeters? 18 centimeters and QR equal to 21 centimeters. PR equal to how much? 24 centimeters. PQR. What is the PQ value? 18. What is the QR value? 21. And what is the PR value? 24. And PS is the bisector of which one? Angle QPR, where S is a point on which one? QR. It is not midpoint, it is in between point of Q and R. Angle bisector means we are taken this line. Okay, and what is the question here? Find the length of SR. Okay, find the length of SR means we written QS by SR equal to PQ by PR. Okay, QS by SR equal to which one? PQ by PR. What is the total QR value? 21. In this one we required which one? SR value. Okay, what is the PQ by PR? QS by SR equal to PQ by PR. What is the PQ value? 18. PR value 24. 6 3 times 6 4 times. What is the ratio? 3 parts is to 4 parts. Total how many parts? 7 parts. 7 parts 21 means 3 parts are 9, 4 parts are 12. What is the question here? SR or PR? SR. What is the answer? 12. Bisector concept, sides are in same ratio or different ratio? Same ratio. If it is 3:4, this one also 3:4 ratio. Next question number 11. First priority which one? Bar. Minus 2A or plus 2A? Minus 2A. Minus of minus 8B. Plus 8B or not? 12A minus 6B minus 2A plus 8B or not? Same or different? Same. If it is 2 minus 8, we written directly 2 minus 8 minus 6. In that we written plus 6 or not? But here already minus 2A minus of minus plus or not? What is the difference between 12A and 2A? 10A. Minus 6B plus 8B plus 2B or not? This one we written 10A plus 2B or not? Into how much value? 8. 8 into 10. 80A. 8 into 2B. 16B. This one we written 80A plus 16B or not? But it is minus half or not? Okay. Plus how much value? 16B. And again we are calculating the first bracket value or not? 2A minus 3B. Nothing but 12 to the how much? 24A minus 36B plus 5A plus 7B minus 4A minus half minus plus 7B or not? Okay. 24A plus 5A 29A minus 4A 25A or not? Minus 36B plus 14B minus 22B or not? Minus 22B. 7 plus 7 14 minus 22B. This one we written 25A already multiplied by, sorry, it is multiplied by total term or only some term? Total term or not? What is the value here? Minus 8A minus 80 minus of 80A plus 12B 16B minus of 80A plus 16B. B. And here 12 is multiple of all the total value or not? First 2a plus 5a, 7a minus 4a, 3a, 12 into 3, 36a or not? Minus 3b plus 7b, 4b, 4b plus 7b, 11b, 11 into 12, 132b or not? Okay, and again total value it is divided by 44 or not? First 36a minus 80a plus 16b plus 16b. 36a minus 80a minus 80a, 36 minus 80a means minus 44a, 132b minus 16b, 116, or minus 16b plus 16b cancel or not? Plus 132b divide by how much? 44. 44 ones are 44 threes are nothing but 3b minus a or not? Which option? Second option. Next question number 12. A trader marks his goods at 40% above the which one? Cost price. He sold half of the stock at the market price, 1 quarter at a discount of 20% on the market price, and the rest at a discount of 40% on the market price. Find his total gain percent. Suppose cost price we are consider how much percent? 100%. Market price 140%. Okay. Suppose total goods are we are consider 100. Total goods are how much? 100. Out of the total goods, half of the stock at the which one? Market price or what is the total stock? 100. In that half means 50. That 50 are sold at market price or what is the market price? 140%. Then I return 140% of 50 or not? That is selling price or cost price? Selling price or not? Sold. Selling price or cost price? Selling price. 1 quarter at a discount of how much? 20% on the market price. What is the market price? 140%. In that 20% discount means 80% of 140% or what is the 80% of 140%? 112% or 112% of 1 quarter or total? 1 quarter. What is the total value? 100. 1 quarter means 25 or out of 140, 20% discount means 28 are subtracting or not? 140 minus 28, 112%. 112% of how much? 25. Next, rest at a discount of how much? 40% on the market price. First time 50 are sold, second time 25 are sold, remaining also 25 or not? The 25 are sold at 40% discount on the market price. What is the 40% of 140? 56. 140 minus 56, 94 or 140. What is the 40% of 140? 56 or 140 minus 56, it is 84 or 84% of which one? 25 parts or plus or first 50 articles 140%, second 25 articles 112%, last 25 articles 84%. All these are adding, we are getting the overall selling price or 140% of 50 means it is 70 or 112% of 25 means half, again half or 28 or what is the 84% of 25? 21 or 70 plus 28, 98 plus 21, 119 or 119% or 119? 119%. What is the cost price? 100%. Selling price 119%. Profit 19% or ఎందుకు నేను 50 25 25 తీసుకున్నాను అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటా. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ వైజ్ ఈజీ అన్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 13. 4 identical cones, each of radius 7 centimeters and height are 24 centimeters, are cut from a cylinder of radius 14 centimeters and height 40 to 48 centimeters. Base of each cone lies on the surface area of the cylinder. What is the total surface area of the remaining solid or total solid? Remaining solid. What is the actual diagram? Cylinder and what is the actual diagram? Cylinder. In that, how many cones are cut? Four cones are cut. All the four cones are equal or different? Equal. Every cone are identical cones, means all the four are same cones or different cones? Same cones. Same cones are cut. All are in same cones or different cones? Same cones. And one more are given. Base of the each cone is lies on the surface area of the cylinder. Nothing but base will be same or different? Same. First we need to identify each one cone. Each one cone curved surface area or total surface area? Curved surface area. Total how many cones are there? 4 cones. 4 cones curved surface area means we return 4 times of curved surface area. Okay. In this one, base area are included or not? Base area are included or not? Then we are subtracting each one base area or not? Each one base area means what is the each one cone base area? Pi r square or not? What is the each one cone base area? Pi r square. Then we are subtracting pi r square or not? Okay. What is the each one diagram? Curved surface area. Nothing but including bottom, it will be curved surface area. What is the curved surface area? It is what is the curved surface area? Pi r l or not? In that we are subtracting base area, we are get the remaining portion or not? That is how many diagrams overall? 4 diagrams. One diagram means curved surface area minus pi r square. How many diagrams overall? 4 diagrams. Plus we required which one? Remaining solid or total solid? Remaining solid. Remaining solid means it is remaining portion of cylinder or not? Okay. Remaining portion of cylinder means total surface area of a cylinder or not? Total surface area of a cylinder. What is the total surface area of a cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus h or not? 2 pi r into r plus h. These two are adding, we are get the remaining solid or total solid? Remaining solid or not? Okay. This one remaining portion actually. Other than the cones, what is the remaining portion? 2 pi r into r plus h. And it is only cones area or not? These two are adding, we are get the remaining solid area, remaining solid total surface area, total solid. Remaining solid or not? 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 into pi will be common or not? 2 pi into what is the r value? It is 2 pi r into r plus h. Cylinder or not? What is the 14 r plus h? 62 plus 4 into curved surface area. What is the curved surface area of a cone? Pi r l or not? Pi into r l or not? What is the radius value? 7. What is the height value? 24. Obviously slant height 25 or not? 25. Then I written 4 into curved surface area. Pi r l. Pi into what is the radius? 7. What is the slant height? 25 minus pi r square. Pi into 7 square. 7 into 7 or not? Okay. First term pi is included or not? Second term also pi is included. Means answer must be included pi value. All the options are pi is included or not? Next, first term 14 means it is multiple of 7 or not? Next, second term 7 into 25. It is 7 multiple or not? 7 into 7. It is also 7 multiple or not? Means these difference also 7 multiple. That value 7 multiple, this one also 7 multiple. Together value also 7 multiple or not? How many options are 7 multiples? First option 7 multiple? No. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth option? Yes. Next question number 14. A family has how many members? 4 members, A, B, C, D. Each of them contributes to the trust from their incomes. ABC contributes 40%, 20% and 10% respectively from their total family income. A how much percent? 40%. B 20% and C 10%. Obviously D 30%. Yes or no? Okay, means what is the ratio? 4:2:1:3. Total how many parts? 10 parts. A 4 parts, B 2 parts, C D 3 parts. Total 10 parts. Okay. If the contribution of A and D are increased by 30% and 40%, A how much percent are increased? 30%. D how much percent are increased? 40%. Next, B contribution reduced by how much? 10%. Out of 2 parts, how much percent are reduction? 10%. Negative or positive? Negative. And family income is increased by how much? 30%. Family income means overall or not? Overall how many parts? 10 parts. In that how much percent? 30% or not? What is the question here? The percentage increase in the contribution of C. Means required on C, how much percent are increased or not? Okay. 4 parts, 2 parts, 1 part, 3 parts. Overall 10 parts. Minus, plus, equal or not? Individual increase or decrease, it is also equal to overall either increase or decrease or not. 34 the how much? 120. 10 2 the 20. Difference 100. 43 the 120. 100 plus 120 220. Right hand side 300. 300 and 220 difference 80. Then question mark equal to how much? 80% or not? Something into 1, it is equal to 80% means something value 80% or not? Next question number 15. To cover a distance of 612 kilometers, if a train A takes 4/2/3 hours more than the train B. If the speed of the A is double or triple? Double. It would have taken 1/3 hours less than the B. What is the speed in kilometer per hour of the train A? Okay. First case, A takes how many hours or more? 4/2/3 hours more than the which one? Train B. But second time A speed will be double or triple? Double. But it would taken 1/3 hours less than the B. Means A speed will be increased. Time or decreased or not? Okay. Suppose original case A speed are A, B speed are B. It is original case. What is the new case? A speed will be 2A, but B speed are B or not? What are the speeds here? Original speeds are A and B. What are the new speeds? 2A and B. There is no change in B speeds or not? And one more, there is no change in distance, both the cases or not? Yes or no? First case B covered 612 kilometers with a speed of how much? B. Second case same 612 kilometers with a speed of how much? B speed or not? There is no change in speed, there is no change in distance means obviously changes values are related only for A or not? Yes or no? Okay. What is the original speed of A? A. What is the new speed? 2A. Means changes values, speeds are changes means obviously time also change, but distance will be constant or changed? Constant. When distance is constant, then we return product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference or not? Product of the speeds, distance equal to product of the speeds by difference of the speeds into time difference or not? Time difference. What is the speed of the A in first case? A. What is the new speed? 2A. What is the difference of the speeds? A or not? Product of the speeds A into 2A. Difference of the speeds A. What is the time in first case? 4/2/3 hours more. Nothing but it is 14/3 hours or not? Second case time 1/3 hours less. Means it is 4/3 hours or not? What is the difference between time? Don't say 10 by 3. Don't say 10 by 3. Compared to original time, 14 by 3 hours are more. Compared to original time, 1 by 3 hours are less. What is the difference in time? 6 hours are. If it is 2 hours late, 2 hours early, what is the difference in time? 4 hours are. And here, one case 14 by 3 hours are more, another case 1 by 3 hours are less. What is the difference in time? 6 hours are. 14 plus 4, 18 by 3 means 6. Time difference is how much? 6 hours. That is equal to distance value. What is the distance value? 6, 1, 2. Numerator A, denominator A cancel. 2 into 6, 12. 12 how many times? 5, 1. Then A equal to how much? 51. క్వశ్చన్ చేయాలంటే కొంచెం కాన్సెప్ట్ వచ్చి ఉండాలి. ఆర్ జనరల్ ప్రొసీజర్ మాట్లాడతాను, జాగ్రత్త చూడండి. వాట్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ వాల్యూ ఫస్ట్ కేస్? 612. 612 kilometers with a speed of A. Next 612 kilometers with a speed of B. A how much time are extra taken? 42 by 3 hours. That is equal to 14 by 3 hours. It is first one. Second one, A speed will be double or triple? Double. Speed double means time will be reduced or increased? Reduced. Means A time compared to B time less or more? Lesser. Means 612 is covered by B speed minus 612 is covered by A speed 2A or not? That is equal to how many hours are less? 1 by 3 hours less. 4 by 3 or not? Okay. These two are adding, we are get the A value. These two equations are adding, we are get the A value or not? But the right hand side 18 by 3 or not? Left hand side plus 61 by 2, sorry, minus 612 by B plus 612 by B, both are cancelled. What is the remaining value? 612 by A minus 612 by 2A or not? Okay. 3 how many times here? 6 times. 6 how many times? 612 common or not? 1 by 2A, that is equal to 6 by 612 or not? 2 into 6, 12. 12 how many times? 51. 1 by A equal to 1 by 51. A equal to how much? 51 or not? Clarity? Next question number 16. In triangle XYZ, angle Z equal to how much? 90 degrees. MN is perpendicular to which one? XY. All the data are given or not? Find the length of YZ. And here XYZ, a triangle or not? Triangle XYZ. Next, another triangle XMN. It is another triangle or not? Okay. First, what is the XZ value? XZ 13 or not? What is the XY? 11.5. Next, what is the XM value? 2.6. What is the XN value? 2.3. 2.6, 13. Almost 5 times or 2 times or 5 times? 5 times. 2.3 and 11.5. 5 times or not? Means similar triangles or not? Yes or no? What is the sides ratio? 1:5, 1:5 or not? Means obviously similar triangle or not? Means these two sides also in which ratio? 1:5. Already we know the MN value is how much? 3.6. It is how many times? 5 times. 3.6 into 5. 18 or not? Then answer 18. Similar triangles or not? Next question number 17. The number of teachers allotted to all the classes are approximately what percentage of the total students present in class B and D together? teachers allotted to all the classes 10 plus 12 22 plus 13 35 plus 15 50 or not? Total how many teachers? 50. What percent of total students present in class B and D together? What are the B total students? B total students 70, D total students 65. 70 plus 65 135. We required is what percent or not? Okay, 5 how many times? 10 times. 5 how many times? 27 times or not? But we required percentage or ratio? Percentage. 10 by which one? 27 multiplied by 100. What is the 10% value? 2.7. 20%? 5.4. 40%? 10.8 or not? It is closer to 40% value or not? Which option? 37. Closer to 40%. 37 or 47? 37. Or 27 we are considered 25. 25 almost how many times? 4 times. 10 for the 40. We are get the 40%, but answer will be less than 40 but nearby 40 or not? Next question number 18. Find the value of given value. I think easy question. What is the answer? Square root of 576 24. 1272 plus 24 1296 means it is which one square? 36 or 133 plus 36 169. Which one square? 13. 612 plus 13 625. Which one square? 25. 875 plus 25 900. Which one square? Means this total value 30 or not? 7539 plus 30 7569 or not? More than 85 square but less than 90 square. End with 987. Question number 19. A man had 20,000. He lent some part at 3% and rest at 5% per annum for the simple interest. If the total interest received was 1560 after 2 years, then the difference between the money lent at 3% and 5%. What is the first case interest? 3%. Second case interest 5%. But overall interest are received 1560. Then apply the reverse method or not? Okay. If we required first case principal, in reverse method which one data are taken? Second one data or not? What is the second one rate of person? 5%. Time is given 2 years. 5% per annum, 2 years 10%. What is the 10% of 20,000? 2,000 or not? Means actual interest are getting 2,000. In place of 2,000 you getting how many rupees? 1560 or not? How much value are less getting? 440 or not? 440. What is the difference in percentage? Per annum difference is how much? 2%. In 2 years difference 4% or not? 4% is how many rupees? 440. Then 100% is how much? 11,000 or not? 11,000. That 11,000 is which one principal? Principal in first part or second part? First part. Obviously principal in second part 9,000 or not? What is the difference between 9,000 and 11,000? 2,000 or not? By using reverse method or not? Are converted to by using allegation also we are get the same answer or not? Next question number 20. On a river, Q is the midpoint between points P and R on the same bank of the river. A boat can go from point P to Q downstream and back in 15 hours and from P to R in 14 hours 40 minutes. How long would it take to go from R to P? First of all, Q is the midpoint of which one? P and R. Means Q is exactly midpoint or not? Suppose P and Q value d kilometers. P and Q d kilometers. Q to R also d kilometers or not? And what is the point here? A boat can go from P to Q in downstream and back. And back means it is Q to P. How much time are taken? 15 hours. P to Q downstream, Q to P upstream. Together time 15 hours are. But P2Q, how much distance are covered? D kilometers with a speed of m plus s or m minus s? M plus s. But Q2P, same distance are covered with a speed of m minus s. Both are adding, we are get the total time or not? What is the total time? It is 15 hours. It is first one. What is the second one? From P to R in 14 hours, how many minutes? 40 minutes. P to R means it is covered upstream or downstream? Downstream distance or upstream distance? P to R downstream or not? P2Q downstream means P to R also downstream. In downstream, what is the total distance are covered? 2D kilometers or not? P2Q and Q to R, total how much distance? 2D kilometers with a speed of m plus s or m minus s? M plus s. That is equal to 14 hours, how many minutes? 40 minutes. 40 minutes means we return 1440 by 60 or not? 40 by 60 means it is 2 by 3 or not? Total it is 44 by 3 or not? 44 by 3. What is the question here? How long would it take to go from R to P? R to P means upstream or downstream? R to P upstream. In upstream, how much distance are covered? 2D by m minus s equal to how much time or not? That is the question. Okay. కొంచెం లాజిక్ వాడుకుంటే లాజిక్గా ఆలోచిస్తే క్వశ్చన్ ఆర్ ఈజీ అన్నమాట. ఓకే, వాట్ ఇస్ ద 2D వాల్యూ? 44 by 3. 2 how many times? 22 times. Means D by m plus is equal to how much? 22 by 3 or not? Means in place of this one we return 22 by 3 or not? Right hand side it is 22 by, left hand side it is 22 by 3. It will become right hand side negative 22 by 3 or not? 15 minus 22 by 3. 3 into 15, 45 minus 22, 23. 23 by 3. That is equal to which one? D by m minus s or not? D by m minus s, we are getting how much? 23 by 3 or not? But we required which one? 2D by m minus s. How many times we need? 2 times or not? 2 into 23, 46 by 3 or not? 46 by 3 means first option or second option? First option. Okay.